Well, I am standing in the beautiful Hoyt Arboretum. I'm here with Martin. And Martin, you actually drove us out here to the Arboretum in one of your vehicles, and even driving through, we saw so many amazing plants, and then this one totally stole our vision. It's stunning. First of all, tell me which one this is.
So this is the American smoke tree. So it's Catinus obovatus.
And I know a lot of people look so forward to fall color because, you know, we know that we're heading into winter, and then you get this blast of color, but a lot of us we don't get how it happens completely. So you're going to talk to us a bit about that.
Sure, yeah. So fall color it generally starts with day length. So as the day length gets shorter, the deciduous trees are basically, they've evolved to lose their leaves to help them protect against the cold winters, and so they drop all those leaves and basically shut down for the winter. And what they start to do is they develop an abscission layer at the base of the leaf, where what we would see later as the leaf scar. And as that abscission layer forms, the sugars inside the leaf and the chlorophyll inside the leaf basically stops getting removed from the leaf, and new chlorophyll is no longer being rebuilt in the leaf by the plant.
So it's kind of like a little dam then.
It is, and it's just shutting off all the flow of energy into and out of the leaf. And so what you see is chlorophyll starts to go away, and some of those other things that exist in the leaf, anthocyanins and carotenes, these other chemicals and things that are in the leaf that help with photosynthesis, they start to get shown basically, and so we see levels of those start to increase.
Because all of it was always in the leaf, it's just that this system is what makes us see them now.
Yeah, exactly, and so what we can see is when we get these really nice, beautiful sunny days, the leaves that are in full sun, the chlorophyll is breaking down faster in there, and we actually see a leaf that is in the sun versus a part of the leaf that has not had any direct sunshine, and how it's still green. That chlorophyll is still in there, and because it hasn't gone through its reactive process, the chlorophyll hasn't broken down, and so it's still sitting there. But at the full sun areas, so the top of the tree, they always see the full color first because the sunlight is breaking down chlorophyll. Whenever that reaction happens, chlorophyll falls apart and has to be rebuilt by the plant.
And it can't because of that little dam.
Because we've got that abscission layer. Yeah, and then we see increases in the pH changes in the leaf, and so anthocyanin, which is the red color, which we all like to see red colors in the fall. A lot of trees have just naturally higher levels of those compounds, and so we see more brighter reds in maples, the smoke tree, sumac, which we'll see close to here. Sourwood as well has actually an acidic
and in fact, we are going to go to another place real quick and look at some actual maples to see some of that red, hopefully.
We will. We're going to go check out a few more trees. There's so many to see.
Great, let's get going.
All right.
Okay, Martin, so we took some paths over here, and what path are we on now?
So we're right on the maple trail now.
And I do see maples all around me, but man, that one behind us, brilliant. What is that one?
Yeah, so we can see the sugar maples are just starting to turn, so we can see the very top of this amazing sugar maple. And of course, that's the tree everyone always associates with great fall color from the northeastern United States.
But there's a lot of even the Japanese maples in this area as well, and they have a tremendous selection of color.
Oh yeah, we have almost, I think, 70 different types of maples, and honestly throughout the Arboretum, fall color comes on at a different rate with all the different tree species, and so we have fall color for another 3-4 weeks.
And then, you know, if people do want to come out because they want to see this, but they're a little concerned about, you know, the names and all of that, you actually have some things happening this weekend that can help out.
So we have a tour at noon and on Saturday, and that's our general public tour. And then on Sunday at 1 o'clock, I'll be leading a tour for our members, for the Hoyt Arboretum members. Absolutely perfect. Well, you know, every year and all through the year, you can find something that just kind of blows your mind out here at Hoyt Arboretum. So for more information, we always invite you to go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. Thank you so much, my friend. Very good. Thank you.